Hello and welcome to another update video. In this video, I'd like to do my first TA on this channel using the Elliott waves. This is about the S&P 500. On my second channel, or actually my main channel, More Crypto Online, I do a lot of cryptocurrency, Elliott wave technical analysis videos, which have been proven to be very precise over the last few weeks and months. So on this channel, I'd like to expand a little bit and not cover cryptos, but also on top of doing videos that help you understand technical analysis and the Elliott waves, I'd also like to provide regular, not that frequent, but regular updates about some main stocks and shares, maybe the gold market. And here in this case, I want to start with the S&P 500 because it is a very, very important index that can have a major impact also on the crypto market and on many other markets. And it shows that we're gearing towards the end of a cycle, but it could be another year of a bull run before we actually going to see that. So Elliott waves don't really give you any time frame, but they can give you an understanding of what a market is capable of. And in this case, the Elliott waves clearly show that there is much further upside potential before, however, at around the range of 7,000, and we're going to take a look at that, maybe even a little bit higher, we are going to expect a massive correction down. Yeah. So at the moment, the markets are showing up, and I'm going to take you through this. So this is my long-term chart, actually, which started back here in 2011, or actually in 2009. So basically what you can see, we had a very, very, and this is very high degree, high level. We had a wave 1, came down in a wave 2. And if you don't know what Elliott waves are, check out some of my, I've got an Elliott wave playlist here on this channel, which should give you an idea of what I'm talking about here. But basically, in an impulsive move up, in this case, it's a move up. Yeah, in an uptrend, you get 5 waves to the upside, and in a then these will be corrected with an ABC to the downside, and then you get your next move up, and then you have your waves within waves, and this is all described in these tutorial videos. But basically, my wave count here indicates that we started in 2009 with a large wave up. Yeah, that took. Basically, you had the peak here somewhere in around May 2011. Then you came down and had a low here in August 2011. And since then, we have been going up from 2011 all the way up to actually 2018 in a massive bull run, all the way to the upside here to the top of a wave 3. I think it's in the wrong place. No, it needs to be here. To the top of a wave 3. This was here actually in 2020. And we then came down in a significant wave 4. Well, this was basically the start of the pandemic. Came down in a wave 4, and since then we have been we are in a major wave 5. Okay, and this wave 5 we haven't seen the peak yet, and I'm going to take you through a little bit more detail. So this is basically the weekly view of the S&P 500, and the significance of the S&P 500 is, of course, it has a leading role. So whatever happens here has an impact all over the world and will also impact other markets, including the crypto markets. Now, if I then go to the daily view, just to show you where we are basically here in some sort of an ascending wedge, which typically could be understood as a bearish pattern, but overall, just wanted to show you that we're really getting squeezed in here. But overall, the Elliott wave count doesn't indicate that we should break down massively from here. So I'm going to take that out just to give you a better overview of where we are in this overview here. Then where we are. So overall, we started then with that low of the wave 4. Yeah, we basically started a lower degree wave up in a wave 1 here, June 2020, came down in a wave 2, July 2020. We then have a lot of extended waves throughout. I didn't put all the details on here. It would just mess it up a little bit, and I don't want to bore you. But overall, from July 2020, we then started to move up here in a wave 3 to the upside. September 21 came all the way down in a wave 4. And what we currently are in this smaller degree wave here in white, we are now in a wave 5. That wave 5 then is, of course, split again into smaller degree waves. So you can see them actually here in pink, basically, where we started as well here with the wave 1 and the wave 2. And I think we are currently in that wave 3. So after that, you will get your wave 4, which is going to be a bit of a drop before we then go up in a wave 5. And then what you will get here is this wave 5. And again, this could be extended further. So this is just before we know where the wave 3 will land, we are not going to be able to calculate absolutely where that wave 5 will end. So, but this will be the end of a cycle, okay? So what you will get, and just to make you aware here, we have come really since 2009, we are in this uptrend, in this bull run. As soon as you reach this major wave 5, that will be huge. That will be a big correction. And what you can then expect is here probably a wave A, B, C that could come down quite a lot, and we could even see points here in around the value of around 2,500. Yeah, so there is quite a bit of a drop that we can see here. Overall, I want to show you in more detail where we currently are, what we can expect in the next few days and weeks. So if I zoom in a little bit, yeah, what we can see here. So from here, you then started in another wave 1, 2, because we came down quite a lot. It could have been here a wave 3, possibly, and we are still in the wave 3, but you've got a smaller degree wave 1 and 2 starting here now, basically because in this retracement down, just make that a bit larger, you can see that we came down all the way to the 0.786 fib level here at around $4,500. That means that if I just show that to you again with the count here, that we came up here in another 1, 2, smaller degree 4, smaller degree 4 and 5, basically because this wave 2 came down quite a bit. So what that means is that you can expect that we have another 3, 4, 5 here, which will be part of that wave 3 then, okay, of that higher degree wave 5. So I'm going to take these out because they mess it up a little bit here. So what you can then do is start your fibs from the low of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 1, and there you go. You can then see that we get this target area here, which is sitting between 4,800 and 5,100. I would even say, because this seems to be, well, now a wave 1, 2, possibly another wave 1, 2, that you actually get extended. So you could even possibly go a little bit higher here, maybe all the way up to 5,500. So possibly I wouldn't even start at a 1.618. I think the target area here would rather be between this fib level, and then I would even go one level higher. So we can expect the price then to continue to rise into this wave 3 area here before we then get a retracement in a wave 4 and then move up in a wave 5 after that. Now, in this wave 4 retracement, you could then expect prices maybe of around the 4,500 mark. This could take another few weeks then to move down, but certainly the expectation would be from where we are now to continue to go up into this region of, I would say, above $5,000. With the highest probability, I would personally say 5,140 roughly, before we then move down in a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upside. And as soon as you get, and that could take, you know, if I zoom out again, this large major wave 5 here, as soon as we get there, this will be the beginning of a, yeah, you can call it a crash. That will be a crash, and we're towards the end of it, but it could be another completely bullish year before you reach that. That is sort of the message of this analysis. I'll definitely keep you updated. Let me know if you want me to keep you updated about the S&P 500, my Elliott Wave count and analysis. I'll give you price targets going forward. Basically, you can use them as buy and sell targets if you want to. That's up to you, no financial advice. This is purely what I think, where the price is going to be heading. So probably we've got another few bullish weeks in front of us before we then get this wave 4 correction here and then move up in a wave 5. Now that wave 5 won't end up there. It will be the wave 5 here, and then you get another ABC and so on. It will continue, but at some point you will finish here this wave 5 up there, the major one, and that will be massive. But I wouldn't expect that to be below, you know, 6,800 roughly. So we would need to do another quite a bit of a significant move up before we get there. And this is all based again on fib levels, basically the Fibonacci extension levels from the higher level wave count. All right, I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked it. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.